revealing 4 ways to make women climax multiple times during sex. In fact, in both sex and masturbation, there are many ways for women to climax. However, not everyone knows how to apply these techniques to help her achieve orgasm. Understanding that, Harmonious Heart will reveal 4 steps to help you and your partner have wonderful moments together. Learn how to subtly arouse sex before sex. If you want to make a woman climax during sex with you, do not skip the step of arousing her desire to be close to her. Indeed, creating desire in your partner during sex will help her easily achieve multiple orgasms. Because it is a feeling of excitement like when you are hungry but have not eaten. That is why when you eat, you will tend to eat more and also feel more delicious. Therefore, the way to make a woman climax is to prepare carefully for foreplay by teasing her about sexy things and repeating those things often throughout the day. From there, she will pay attention to your words, easily get emotional, and start having more orgasms when making love. In more detail, you can text her a sexy message in the morning. Tease her by rubbing her feet gently but playfully under the dining table in the evening. Do 1 or more romantic things together, such as sharing about a day at work, cuddling, or sending passionate kisses before going to bed. Learn how to subtly arouse sex before making love. Caressing and maintaining emotions is a way to make a woman climax faster. In sexual relations, caring and maintaining feelings of love for her is one of the effective ways to make a woman climax. More specifically, after she has reached orgasm, let her vagina have a short time to rest, because at this time that place has become very sensitive. Besides, you should not stop all activities to wait for her, but instead take 1 to 2 minutes and caress her body parts, specifically the breasts, buttocks, or neck. In addition, another trick to help women climax the next time is to praise her by whispering in her ear sentences like, "You are so beautiful today," "I love you," "I miss you," or any other sweet words. This will help you keep her in an intermediate state, and neither of you need to start the foreplay again. Caressing and maintaining emotions is a way to make women climax faster. Continuing to stimulate the clitoris after she reaches orgasm is a way to make women climax multiple times. In fact, after a woman has reached orgasm, it will cause blood to rush to her partner's little girl, while the aftertaste of sexual activities is still there. Therefore, this not only makes it easier for you and your partner to perform many more moves, but also helps her climax more often. After making a woman climax by caressing, next you will move on to the step of stimulating the clitoris to create excitement for her. In more detail, focus all your attention on your partner's little girl, starting with light touches, gently inserting your fingers, or using your tongue to give her oral sex. Next, pay attention to her expressions or sounds to increase the appropriate speed to stimulate the clitoris to orgasm, gradually increasing the intensity until your partner is about to climax again. Try other love positions that she doesn't know. What techniques help women climax multiple times? That is to learn and try different love positions, as well as help both of you to be more sublime when making love. This is even extremely effective if the partner's clitoris is sensitive after the previous orgasm, and new positions will make her excited and quickly climax more. In addition, there has been a study showing that stimulating a woman's nipples also helps her reach orgasm more easily. Therefore, you can apply it by using your fingers or tongue and gently rotating your partner's nipples, increasing a bit of a violent feeling, but more stimulating with movements such as biting, gently rubbing, or sucking the nipples. Thus, the above article has provided readers with a sequence of steps to help women climax easily when making love. From there, it can bring both of you new and more attractive feelings in bed. In addition, follow Harmonious Heart to wait for more useful information on the topic of sexual health.